I got a HelloFresh box, and one of the meals is the Chicken Cheddar Fajita. And what you need to have available is some oil. So into our pan, we are going to put some of this avocado oil, because that's what I have in the house. We are going to put a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. So there's about a teaspoon, well, a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, here I washed all my vegetables prior, and I have my chicken in the sink. It's sitting in some water. I zested the lime, and I have it right there, and you have to cut the lime into wedges. I deseeded the jalapeno and also the onion and the pepper, and I'm keeping the seeds. So I sliced this up really thin. I did the onions really thin, and I did the peppers really thin. I have everything else open. I have salt and pepper. So anyways, into the pan, we need to turn on our heat, and we are going to cook the onions and the peppers. And I'm going to get a wooden spoon for this. And we are to cook this we're going to add the onion, the bell pepper, and 1 teaspoon of this Southwestern spice blend. So I have to get a teaspoon out. And we need to make the jalapeno. So we're going to put the jalapeno in one of the bowls, and we are going to take 2 of the lemon wedges. And so I'm going to take everything but 2 and put it over here. Actually, there we go. So we're going to move the wedges for now. We're going to get the jalapeno in the dish. Make sure you wash your hands good when you handle jalapeno. And we are going to put the lemon or lime onto this, just the juice from both of the wedges. And I'm going to juice that a little bit more off camera. Okay, so we're going to take 1 teaspoon of the spice. Okay, we got our 1 teaspoon. So let me do this off camera. Spice. We're going to sprinkle it on top of our onions and our peppers. And I'm going to let this cook on low until these are cooked. And right now you got that southwestern smell here. So if you had smell-o-vision, you could smell this. So we're going to let that cook. I'm going to turn my heat down. And now I'm going to give this a stir with the lime juice. We're just coating them jalapeno. And we are going to make the creamer. So we have cheddar cheese here, and we also have okay, to this bowl here, we're going to add all of the sour cream. I'm going to do this off camera. And we are going to add the lime zest and a squeeze of lime juice and enough water to give it a drizzling consistency. So let me add the lime zest to this, and I'll bring you back. I'm going to add this lime zest and the juice from these limes, okay? We're cooking these slow, and some of the onions are trying to become translucent right now. So we're going to keep cooking these until these are cooked. And we've got the juice, on the rest of the juice from the lime that we squeezed. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to dehydrate that, or even make it sweet by adding some sugar and letting it dry. just like I did with my ginger. So I got the lime juice and the lime zest in here with the sour cream. We want to add a little tiny bit of water to give it a drizzling consistency. So I'm giving this room. And there goes the water. We don't want it too thin of a sauce. And that right there to me is good. Nice drizzling consistency. So I'm going to move this out of the way and this out of the way. And I'm going to get back to cooking my onions and peppers, and then I'm going to remove them from the heat. And I'm going to slice my chicken real thin, and I'm going to bring you back for that. Okay, we've got our chicken all cut up in strips. This has been washed. So into the pan, we've got a tablespoon of oil. We've got the onions and peppers out. We are going to add the chicken with some salt and some pepper. And I'm going to have to wash my hands because I have to pick up the remains of the plastic cutting board. And we're going to stir that really quick. And I'm going to make sure my heat is down. I'm going to cook this low. And I'm just going to season it with some salt and pepper, and I'll bring you back to that. I'm going to get this over to the sink and wash my hands. And I'll bring you back when I'm ready to season. Oh, by the way, I took 2 of the fajitas out, and I've got some of the cheddar cheese on it. I'm going to bake these until the cheese is melted. Right now it's on 350, so I'm going to get this in the oven. Wash my hands and then bring you back so I can season these. Okay, we're ready to season. So we're just going to add some salt. And this is just regular salt. I'm not using my Himalayan pink salt because this is just easy. And I'm going to put some fresh black pepper, which I've got it ground, in here. And we're going to season that. So there we go. We're going to cook this until this is done. And then we're going to assemble this. So now I'm going to get my tortillas in, because the oven is almost done preheating. So let me cook this and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, this is almost done. I was just checking it by opening up a piece, and what I'm going to do is add my onions and peppers back in. And I'm going to pull out my fajitas. They're getting the cheese all melted. And I'm also going to add a little bit more of the Southwestern spice. Just a little bit to the chicken, just to combine them flavors. And we're going to finish cooking this, and then I'm going to bring you back when I'm ready to prepare. Okay, welcome back. The cheese is already melted. I got the second set in, and I got another set here. So we're going to add some of the chicken and some of the peppers to this quesadilla or fajita. You can do a couple of fajitas if you'd like, or you can put it together as a quesadilla. And now we're going to top it with some of our pickled jalapenos. Just a little bit, because you're still going to have the heat. And then we're going to add some of the lime zest crema. We're going to drizzle a little bit of this on. That's going to take away the heat from the jalapeno. And then we're going to squeeze it with some of the lime. And there we go. We hope you enjoy the recipe. Let me know what you think. And if you'd like to take a subscription for trying it for free, just let me know in the comments down below and I will send you a code. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.